Stop what you are doing right now and listen to my story. I remember when I was 8, 9 years old, I had a dream of becoming rich and buying a supercar. This may relate to you, but imagine how we have been conditioned by the society, by our parents, by other people older than us to think that being rich, buying your dream car, doing your dream job, your dream work is impossible. When I was 14, I grew up, so I grew up from that time. I found my mentor that opened my eyes. You can be rich. You absolutely can be rich. There's no one that can stop you from being rich. There have been people going from homeless to rich, rags to riches in, let's say, 5 years at most. What you see right here is my dream job, my dream activity, making YouTube videos, helping others, and also improving my speech and just spreading my message. That there is a hack to everything in life. You know that. I'm doing this channel, I have over 100 subscribers that relate to my message. So if you relate to my message, listen to this video because you are going to be rich. By the end of, let's say, 5 years from now on, if you just take advice from this video. How to actually get rich, you may ask. From what I found in more than 5, 6, 7, 8 books that I've read on the days of my self-improvement, in the days of my self-improvement, is that you need a business. You cannot get rich by gambling. That's the worst tactic to get rich. You cannot get rich fast by saving up and investing into something. That's the normal way of getting rich, investing and waiting till you're 60 years old. No one cares about that. You cannot enjoy life at 60 years old. Yes, you can, but just do not cope with that mindset. You have to create a business. My business is content creation, this channel. I do not monetize it. I do not have anything to sell. In the future, I will create one of the best programs out there for self-improvement, and I will price it at one of the lowest prices on the market. And you will see that it will be groundbreaking. You will not understand the value that I'm going to be implementing in that one single course that I will have to sell. I will not sell courses. I will not sell a course just on mindset, one on business. No, I will sell one real course on improving your life, and you will see it because it will be groundbreaking. It will be wonderful. Let's get back to the video. You have to create a business. Everyone nowadays tells you that, oh, do not create a business, it's impossible. You are not Andrew Tate, you cannot make progress, businesses are just copes, are fake, you cannot do anything with a business. Yes, you can do a lot of things with a business. You can create connections, make money. That's the main purpose of a business, to make profit and do a lot of things. Do not listen to your parents that tell you to get a real job, that you'll fail, you'll regret. You will not regret anything. If your parents do not support you, then you have to support yourself. Trust me. Anyone that tells you to stop is just coping, and it's like the crab mindset that I've told you before. They are crabs in a bucket, let's say the bucket of not being rich. They're trying to bring you down, so you stay with them, you stay in their comfort zone of just working, having a stable income, and not being like a risk taker, and creating your business. The second tip to actually get rich is to hang out with people that have businesses, that are rich, have rich parents, you know that. Not to freeload of them and to get a lot of things for free by them buying you their things. Some things like, I don't know, meals or anything like that, but just to get some mindsets, get to know more about how rich people act and believe and relationate with others. Trust me, if you hang out with rich people that know how money works, you'll be like them. This is a simple mindset that everyone can understand. My story was that I never used to hang out with rich people or with kids that have rich parents, and I somewhat dislike that idea because for me it was important to follow my dream, to become rich and to buy whatever I want, to have the best life, hack my life in the best ways, and just enjoy life. The third tip on how to get rich, how to actually get rich in our today's era is to become a content creator. I know this may seem weird, but if you're a content creator, you can spread your message to everyone. It's like a free public speech, what I'm doing right now. I just sit in front of the camera, I give real advice, not bullshit top 10 7 ways to get rich today. I'm not teaching you about agency, business, B2B, dropshipping, trading, other retarded things like meme trading. I do not teach you about any of these things because they are useless. And you may know yourself that they do not work. They are fucking low-level businesses that have been pushed in courses for more than, I don't know, 5 years, I guess you can say. For more than 5 years, all those retarded guys have pushed you the same ideas. Dropshipping, agency, trading, investments, fucking, I don't know, e-hoarding, what the fuck is that thing? It's illegal. Stop listening to those average guys and become a content creator. You need to have balls to become a content creator. I made over 250 videos on my channel with my face looking like shit, looking like I was unkept, looking like I didn't fucking shower before making a video. Do you think I am the most confident guy? No. But you need a level of confidence to upload videos, grow your audience, make over 250 videos without quitting. Bro, I'm not quitting anytime. I will not quit anytime. I will still continue to make a video every day or once, 2 days if I can. And I will be the best self-improvement channel on YouTube because I give real advice. No bullshit editing, no bullshit 7 ways to make money, 7 best gym workouts. Shut the fuck up. Now, how do you become a content creator? From my story, you can understand this. I was switching between businesses. I wanted to do a dropshipping business, then I was really focused on an agency business. I was researching all those things, but I realized that you have to sell your soul to some company, to some bullshit ass company that doesn't even benefit the world. Let's say you make ads for McDonald's, doesn't even benefit the world. And I realized that you have to sell your soul and your time. Yes, you make a lot of money, but you sell your time to some bullshit ass business. Then I considered trading, but I understood after some failures that it's just gambling on legal things, not illegal things like gambling on a casino. That's also legal, but there you have a bigger risk of losing your money. In trading you have a lower risk, but it's still gambling, so do not do trading. Fuck trading. Next, I thought about starting an e-hoarding business. That's so cringe, bro. It's one of the retarded mindsets and businesses that you can also get found and charged with crimes because it's a crime of just tricking someone. So I didn't do that thing because it was retarded. So I do not encourage you to do any of this business. I do not want you doing any of these businesses because they are useless and they are pushed to us for over than 5 years. But content creation is almost shitted on in our today's world because everyone tells you that, yeah, bro, Clavicular does it, Andrew Tate does content creation. You can become one of those guys. Not being retarded, but being yourself and just having the best audience. If you're like me, you understand that content creation is of the best ideas, the best mindsets to have towards business. And also, how to actually get rich. Tip number 5 or 4, I don't know. Stop living like a cheap person. Do not go straight for the prices that are lower. Do not save $1 today for a coffee. Do not save $5 today just by not eating a meal. If you do not have money, yes, you must save some money. But if you are living a medium life like everyone nowadays does, maybe, do not be a cheapsake. Do not be acting like a homeless person. You just don't buy any clothes for 5 months and your clothes look damaged because you want to save money and you invested it in S&P 500. Fuck S&P 500, bro. Act like a rich guy. Go to rich places and taste luxury. You'll see, once you taste the feeling of luxurious life, you'll understand how rich people work, act, live. And then you'll be close to your dream life. But also go to a Rolex store, try a Rolex, try, let's say, a car if you want, if you can, try it. Be careful, do not test drive if you don't know how to drive safely. Go to rich places and buy a water, buy a lowest drink, like the cheapest drink out there, and see how you feel there. See how you will feel if you were rich, and realize that you need to get rich in order to fulfill your dream of living the best life. I know that's your dream because that's our entire channel dream. My name is Kalin Unchanged. My mission is to spread the message that there is a hack to everything in life. Till the next time, hack your way closer to perfection. And remember that we are a tribe of young men trying to go closer and closer to the best life that we can achieve in this world, in this life, in our time. I'll see you in the next video, and remember that you can always get rich, but you have to do the work and also have the right mindsets to get rich in our today's world.